Oh no.
Ya itunya pegang. Di sini bikin nasi nih, sini. Ini udah jadi sawah kita.
Sorry boy.
Ya. Udah. Ya.
So we had a lot of fun plans this week, right? But
Yes.
last Saturday when we were across the road, we saw this little baby running down the road limping really badly. So Agung grabbed her, and when we got her home, we found her injuries were way worse than we thought. So our whole week became about saving her life.
I know.
So we did manage to fit a few other fun bits and pieces in, but most of our week was with this little one. So let's see how our week went.
Itu dia ho.
Literally only one more.
Right, you guys. So our plan today is walking around this island. I mean,
Not the whole island.
Not the
It
whole
would take
island.
a couple of weeks.
I mean a tuk-tuk. Itulah. So I bring my drone. So in case there is
Yeah.
a good place to fly my drone, I will fly my drone. Itulah.
Yeah. Usually often rains around this time, so
And we're gonna try to stop somewhere to buy Charlie's chocolate.
yeah, always.
As always, that's the main reason. To be honest,
Home.
tell us what happened, Charlie.
Huh?
Tell us what happened.
I just found a cute puppy on the road, and
Yes.
it wants to play with me, and I want to put it in my bag and take it home. But I won't. Look at you.
Oh my gosh. Asa what?
Agong's been wanting to fly his drone in this rice paddy since we got here. So today we come for a walk, and that's just what he's gonna do. Yeah?
Yes, mate.
Hopefully it won't be like New Zealand, there won't be seagulls dive bombing it. Maybe some cute little birds. But it's such a beautiful spot. Here we go, the wind's just picked up, so we'll see how we go. Good luck! So we're still flying the drone. We're standing in front of the rice paddy.
Oh, so scared.
And Agung's focused on flying the drone. And something rustles in the bushes, he thinks it's a snake, but it's this guy. You see? A little doggy running through the rice paddy. Come on, you can come out, buddy.
Hey, boy.
Do you think you're about to get eaten by a cobra?
I know. I thought something, maybe chicken attacked me.
My hair's awesome today, isn't it?
Thank you, puppy. So we are now on the way home, Charlie.
Yeah.
So to be honest, our plan today is like walking around the Tuk-Tuk Island, but we both not feeling well,
Well,
you know. So
everything's kind of changed because of the cat.
and now it took me around 10 minutes to catch this cat. Kitten. We feeling so sorry for we just found on the street with the legs like this. How do you say? So our plan now is taking this home and look after him, Charlie. She or him look so painful. Yeah, one of her leg I think broken. Fingers crossed we can look after her or him.
Tuna juice, you want some?
No, thank you.
We're going to force feed this cat.
Okay. So it's
Because she's not eating. She needs to
I know.
eat.
so it's still day 2, okay? So we already gave her some medicine, and then it's gonna for her lunch, right?
Beautiful day here in Samasir, and we are off to the police station. I have my key task from last week, but I have a couple more things to do before I'm completely finished with the paperwork. So I need to go to the local police station and make a report to say I live here. So we're on the way to the police station, and it's only 10 minutes drive from Tuk Tuk. Beautiful day today.
So warm, I love
So
it.
hot and sunny. Hopefully this doesn't take long so we can go and enjoy the sunshine somewhere. Okay, we just finished with the police station, and so good. They're really friendly, they did the letter right in the spot, and there were even cats cats that we could cuddle. And now we're going to go find,
Cat food.
trying to find some proper cat food and some more medicine.
So we just got the cat food. So now we're going to Tomok to buy some supplies for cats. Actually.
Yes,
So
medicine.
it's hot, but luckily look at this view. Actually, yeah. Woohoo, beautiful. Right, peace, bro. Kak,
Mau berapa? Ini 16 kali 16. Makanya mau berapa?
But we're going to need bandage to wrap.
Plaster?
plasternya.
Plasternya ada?
We just managed to find an apothec pharmacy behind me, and we got some the powder that we need, special wound powder, and some more cleaning stuff for the cat. But we need a toilet for her, so we're going to go back to the shop we were at the other day and get a toilet and some clean towels for
Yes,
her.
yes.
So not finished our mission yet, but it's a beautiful day
It is.
here in Tomok.
It's gonna be a bit.
And look over there, it's a cake shop. We might have to stop there later. Okay, finally we're home after all our running around. Hungry and hot, and we've blown half our weekly budget already on cat stuff, but it's so worth it. It's fine. We're just gonna go check on her. We haven't seen her for a few hours and make sure she's okay, and then give her some lunch. Oh, she ate all her food. Hi. It's gone. You probably can't see, it's too dark. Hey, baby. Hubbies. Yay. Look at this. This was a big plate of food this morning, so she's doing so good. So because of where the wound is, even if we could get her to a vet, they probably couldn't stitch it, they couldn't bandage it. It's right in her armpit and it's really deep, it goes right up into the joint of her leg, so I don't think there's any way we or anyone could stitch it. So it has to heal open, which is pretty nasty, but it's happening a lot faster than we thought. This is day 3?
Yes, yes, yes.
And it's
yes.
already, you can see the processes beginning to heal, so fingers crossed. Right, so it's been another busy week full of surprises, but after a month in Sumatra, this is starting to feel like home. So we've got this cool thing for our house from the Ole Ole shop, the souvenir shop across the road. They do beautiful batak carvings, and this is our Marga name, so like Agung's family name and my new family name, which is his mum's maiden name. Quite complicated, but I think it's really beautiful, don't you?
It is, yeah.
So we're going to hang it up.
Yeah, I love batik house. Where do you want it? Here, tell me.
Up, I think up the top more.
Here, somewhere. Yeah.
Okay,
What do you think, guys? Write down in comment, yeah.
so cool.
Thank guys for your watch this video, and if you like, don't forget to. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And if you want to know about Cat, so follow us on Instagram. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be doing updates on how she's doing there.
Yes.
And subscribe, because we'll probably include her in future videos, yeah?
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
see you next week.
See you.